The digital storm is here, and it's not just brewing, it's unleashing a torrent that will reshape our world. Are you ready for the seismic shift, or will you be swept away by the relentless tide of artificial intelligence? The future of work, your future, hangs precariously in the balance. The AI revolution isn't a distant sci-fi fantasy, it's a present-day reality already devouring jobs at an alarming rate. Experts are sounding the alarm, predicting a terrifying 10 to 20% unemployment spike within the next 1 to 5 years. This isn't just a statistic, it's a ticking time bomb for millions, starting with entry-level white-collar roles that once seemed secure. Imagine entire sectors hollowed out, not by recession, but by algorithms. This isn't merely an economic downturn, it's a fundamental restructuring of human labor. Professionals, job seekers, and the general public must confront this urgent reality now before it's too late to adapt. This isn't a problem for tomorrow, it's a crisis unfolding today. A staggering 90% of college students are already leveraging AI for their academic work, from drafting essays to solving complex problems. This reliance, while seemingly efficient, raises a critical question. Are we inadvertently training the next workforce to be dependent on tools that will ultimately replace them? Educators face an unprecedented challenge. How do we prepare students for a job market that is fundamentally changing beneath their feet? The skills valued yesterday are becoming obsolete today. This trend demands immediate attention and a radical reevaluation of our educational paradigms. Forget the Industrial Revolution. This is fundamentally different, dramatically more disruptive. Past technological shifts replaced manual labor with machines. AI, however, transcends mere automation. It can make autonomous decisions, generate novel ideas, and even learn and adapt without human intervention. It's not just a tool, it's a digital mind, capable of independent thought and action. This unprecedented capability means AI isn't just performing tasks, it's performing cognitive tasks. It's analyzing, strategizing, and creating in ways previously exclusive to humans. This dramatic leap demands a redefinition of what work truly means for humanity. While AI promises efficiency, it also threatens widespread displacement. Many common professions, from data entry and customer service to basic coding, content writing, and financial analysis, are now teetering on the brink of obsolescence. These roles, often characterized by repetitive tasks, pattern recognition, and data processing, are precisely where AI excels. The chilling truth is that new job creation is not guaranteed to offset this loss, nor will it necessarily align with existing skill sets. This industry analysis reveals a stark future. If your job can be broken down into predictable, repeatable steps, AI is coming for it. The urgency to pivot and reskill has never been greater for professionals and job seekers alike. So, what remains when the digital tide recedes? After meticulous analysis of future trends, experts agree. Only roles demanding uniquely human attributes, those AI cannot replicate, will survive. These 5 human-only jobs represent the last bastions of human employment by 2030, requiring profound skill development in areas AI simply cannot master. AI can process data, but it cannot genuinely feel, understand, or respond to the nuanced tapestry of human emotion. Roles like caregivers, therapists, social workers, and counselors will become indispensable. They require profound emotional intelligence, intuitive understanding, and the ability to build trust and provide comfort. Skills utterly beyond algorithmic reach. This is about authentic human connection, a vital need in an increasingly digital world. As AI becomes more powerful, the need for human oversight and ethical guidance skyrockets. These professionals will be the guardians of AI, ensuring it aligns with human values, prevents bias, and operates responsibly. They'll design, refine, and audit AI systems, bridging the gap between machine logic and human morality. This critical role demands a blend of technical acumen, philosophical insight, and a deep understanding of societal impact. AI can optimize, analyze, and execute, but it cannot define purpose or envision entirely new futures. High-level strategists, CEOs, visionary leaders, and groundbreaking entrepreneurs will remain crucial. They decide what to do, not just how to do it. These roles demand abstract thinking, intuitive judgment, risk assessment, and the ability to inspire and lead, charting courses through uncharted waters. While robots can assemble, they lack the dexterity, adaptability, and problem-solving intuition required for complex physical tasks. Master chefs, skilled plumbers, bespoke artisans, and specialized technicians will thrive. These jobs demand intricate motor skills, creative problem-solving in dynamic environments, and a deep understanding of materials and craftsmanship. They produce tangible value that requires a human touch and ingenuity. AI can generate content, but it cannot truly explore, interpret, or define the essence of the human experience. Artists, philosophers, musicians, storytellers, and cultural innovators will be more vital than ever. They create meaning, provoke thought, and enrich our lives in ways that resonate deeply with the human spirit. These roles demand profound creativity, emotional depth, and the ability to connect with universal human truths. As superintelligence looms, the future belongs not to those who compete with AI, but to those who master what AI cannot. Empathy, ethics, strategic foresight, and pure human creativity. This is not a prediction, it's an urgent call to action. Will you be a casualty of this digital revolution, or will you proactively cultivate the uniquely human skills that guarantee your relevance? The choice is yours and the clock is ticking. The time for complacency is over. Students demand curricula that foster critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and ethical reasoning. Professionals, identify your transferable human skills and pivot your career trajectory. Job seekers, focus on developing these irreplaceable human attributes. Educators, revolutionize your teaching to prepare the next generation for this new reality. Don't wait for the future to happen to you. Shape it. Subscribe for more insights, share this urgent message, and start your journey to future-proof your life today.